Good evening, my dear students. Welcome to my channel Desire to Learn with Mukesh. So here in this video, we are going to discuss the session ending question paper of class 8th math. So this is the question paper of session ending examination 2022-23. I mean this year, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan of Bhubaneswar region. So total marks was 60. Time allowed was 2 hours 30 minutes. So general instructions, the question paper contains 4 parts. Section A contains 12 questions of 1 mark each. Okay. Section B contains 6 questions of 2 marks each. Section C contains 4 questions of 3 marks each. Section D contains 6 questions based on case studies. Attempt all questions. You have to attempt all questions. Consider pi equal to 22 by 7. Wherever it is necessary, you have to take consider pi equal to 22 by 7. Okay. Now we will come to section A, which carries 12 marks, 12 questions, each one carries 1 mark. So total 12 mark will be there from section A. So question number 1, find the value of y if 5y minus 3 equal to 3y minus 5. So you can see here 5y minus 3 equal to 3y minus 5. Okay. So 5y minus, if you bring 3y to this side, left side, it will be minus 3y equal to, here in right side, minus 5. And if you bring minus 3 from left side to right side, it will become plus 3. Okay, so 5y minus 3y, 2y. 2y equal to minus 5 plus 3, minus 2. So y equal to minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus 1. So the value of y will be minus 1. Now we will come to the second question, that is sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 63. What is the middle number? So to find the middle number among 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is given, you have to just divide the sum by 3. So 63 by 3, you have to just divide the sum by 3. 63 divided by 3, it will give 21. So the middle number will be 21. 21, option C. 21 is the answer, option C. Okay. Then which of the following is a polynomial? You can see here, which of the following is a polynomial? 3x plus y plus z, or 2, or 2y plus 9, or all of these. Here 3x plus y plus z, it contains 3 variables, right? So this is a polynomial. What must be added to 3x minus 5 to get minus 4x plus 9? What must be added to 3x minus 5 to get minus 4x plus 9? So here you have to subtract 3x minus 5 from minus 4x plus 9. So minus 4x plus 9 minus 4x plus 9 minus 3x minus 5. So minus 4x plus 9 minus 3x minus plus 5. So minus 4x minus 3x minus 7x plus 9 plus 5 plus 14. So answer will be minus 7x plus 14, option C. Now next we will come to question number 5. Question number 5 is, what is the product of minus 4p3 multiplied by minus 3p? So here the product will be minus 4 into minus 3 equal to plus 12, minus into minus plus Okay, then P3 into P4 equal to P3 into P equal to P4, P to the power 4. So 12P4, option B, 12P4. Now come to question number 6. Now we will come to question number 6. What is the area of a trapezium if its parallel sides are 12 meter and 8 meter and the distance between them is 10 meter? So area of parallelogram will be the sum of the parallel sides, that is 12 plus 18, okay, multiply by the distance between them divided by 2. So 12 plus 18 equal to 30. 30 into 10 divided by 2. So 300 divided by 2. It will give 150. 150 square meter. Area will be always in square meter. Sorry, square unit. And here if the units are in meter, then the area will be in square meter. So 150 square meter. Not 150 meter. 150 square meter. Then part 2. We will come to part 2 of section A. That is question number 7. The diagonals of a rhombus are 18 meter and 24 meter respectively. What is its area? You know, what is the formula to find the area of a rhombus if two diagonals are given? The length of two diagonals are given. That is, you have to multiply both the diagonals, length of both the diagonals, and you have to divide them by 2. So 18 into 24 by 2. So you will get 216. So 216 square meter, because your units are in meter, so area will be in square meter unit. Okay, next, or the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 12 meter and 10 meter respectively. What is its perimeter? What is its perimeter? The two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 12 meter and 10 meter. This is a parallelogram. Okay, here two adjacent sides are 12 meter and 10 meter. This is 12, this is 10. You know, the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so 12, 12, 10, 10. So total perimeter will be 12 plus 12 plus 10 plus 10. It will be 44 meter. 44 meter. Now come to question number, next question, that is question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is, if 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 5 equal to 10 to the power m, then what is the value of m? You know, a to the power x divided by a to the power y equal to a to the power x minus y. There was a formula. So here 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power, it will be 10 to the power 8 minus 5. Okay, that means 10 to the power 3 equal to 10 to the power m. That means m equal to 3. That means m equal to 3. Next, what is the value of 1 by 3 to the power minus 2? 3 to the power minus 2, 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. It means if you bring 3 to the power minus 2 to the numerator part, that means the upper part, it will become 3 to the power 2, that is 9. Okay. Next, if x proportional to y and x equal to 4 and y equal to 5, then what is the value of k? You know, if x proportional to y, then k will be k equal to y by x. So y equal to 5 and x equal to 4. So 5 by 4. Okay. Mention if the following is true or false. The time taken for a journey and the distance traveled in a uniform speed are in inverse proportion. Question number 11. The time taken for a journey and the distance traveled in a uniform speed are in inverse proportion. If the distance will be increased, then time taken will be also increased. If the distance will be less, the time taken will be also less, minimized. So these are not in inverse proportion. Okay, they are in direct proportion, not inverse proportion. So this will be false, because if the distance traveled, total distance increases, then time taken will be also increase. If the distance becomes less, then time also will be less time also will be required. Okay, what is the coordinates of origin in xy plane? Coordinate of origin in xy plane is 0 0, because x is 0, y is 0. Okay, then section b carries 2 marks, each question carries 2 marks. Okay, total 6 questions will be there, so total 12 marks. Solve the equation 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So how will you solve it? 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x, 3x, 3 minus 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, then plus 3 into 7, sorry, not 7, not into, it is only plus 7. Okay, then 8x, here you will bring 3x to left side, so it will be minus 3x, 8x minus 3x equal to 7 minus 3, you will bring the 4 from the left side to right side, it will become minus 4. So 7 minus 3 minus 4. So 8x minus 3x equal to 5x. 7 minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. 5x equal to 0, then x equal to also will be 0. Next. So here x will be 0. Find the height of a cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and the total surface area is 968 centimeter square. You know, total surface area equal to 2 pi r into h plus r, where r is the radius and h is the height. So total surface area is given 968 centimeter square equal to 2 into pi equal to 22 by 7 into h, r equal to 7 into 7 into h equal to h plus r equal to 7. So 968 centimeter square equal to 7 you can cut 7 ones are 7 ones are, then 2 into 22 equal to 44 into h plus 7. Okay, so 968 centimeter square equal to 44 into h, 44h plus 44 into 7, 308. Now h equal to 968 minus 308 divided by 44. You will take 308 from this side to this side, that side it will become minus. So 968 minus 308 equal to 44h, then h equal to divided by 44. So 968 minus 308 by 44. So it will give 15 centimeter, because 968 minus 308 equal to 308 equal to 660 divided by 44, it will give 50 centimeter, 15 centimeter. So it will be 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Then find the value of m for which 8 to the power 8 to the power 2 equal to 4 to the power m into 2 to the power m. Okay, so 8 to the power 2 equal to 4 to the power m into 2 to the power m. So 8 to the power 2 equal to 4 into 2 to the power m, because you know there is a formula like this: a m into b m equal to a b m, ab whole m, ab whole to the power m. Okay, so like that here 4m 4 to the power m into 2 to the power m equal to 4 into 2 whole to the power m. So 8 to the power 2 equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 to the power m, that means m equal to 2. So here m equal to 2. Okay, you can check the answer by putting the value of m is also here. You can check if your answer is correct or not. Okay, a machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 8 hours? Okay, so the machine fills 840 bottles in 6 hours, so it will fill 840 divided by 6, that is 140 bottles in 1 hour. So in 1 hour it will fill 840 by 6, that will be 140. So therefore it will fill 140 into 8, that is 1120 bottles in 8 hours. In 1 hour it fills 140 bottles, then in 8 hours it will fill 140 into 8, that will be equal to 1120 bottles. You can find the answer also using, okay, the relation, that is the direct proportion, okay. Or you can use this method also to find the answer. Then factorize 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2, or factorize this one. You can answer any one of the question. First we will see 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 15xy plus 5y minus 6 minus 2. You have to just interchange the place of minus 6x and plus 5y. Okay. Then you will take 5y as common here. Okay, in between 15xy and 5y, the common will be 5y. If you will take 5y common, then you will get 5y into 3x equal 15xy. Then 5y into 1 equal to 5y. So 5y into 3x plus 1. Then from minus 6x minus 2, you will take minus 2 as common. So minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Minus 2 into 3x equal to minus 6x. Minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 2. Okay. Now 3x plus 1 you will take common from both these terms. So 3x plus 1 multiply by 5y minus 2. This will be the factorization. Otherwise, you can solve this one also. X plus bx minus ay minus by. You will take x common from ax and bx. So it will be x into a plus b. And you will take minus y common from ay and by. Minus y minus ay and minus by. So minus ay you will take common, then minus y into a plus b. Now you will take a plus b common from both the terms. So a plus b into x minus y. Now come to question number 18. Factorize the expression a square plus 8a plus 16, or 9x square y square minus 16. First, a square plus 8a plus 16. A square equal to a square of a, and 16 equal to 4 square of 4. So you can convert this expression in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b, you know, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a square plus b square 4 square plus 8a, 2 into a into b. A is a and b is here 16, sorry 4. 2 into a into 4 equal to 8a. So a square plus 2 into a into 4 plus 4 square, that means this is the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know, this is the formula of a plus b whole square. So a plus b means here 4, so a plus 4 whole square, that is a plus 4 into a plus 4. Now section C carries 3 marks. Each question carries 3 marks. Multiply x minus 4 and 2x plus 3, or simplify 3x multiply by 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x equal to 3. So first we will see the first question. We have to multiply x minus 4 with 2x plus 3. X minus 4 into 2x plus 3. X into 2x plus x into 3 minus 4 into 2x minus 4 into 3. Then x into 2x 2x square plus x into 3 3x minus 4 into 2 8x minus 4 into 3 12. Okay, now 2x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 5x minus 12. Okay, or you can solve this one also. 3x multiply by 4x minus 5 plus 3, where x equal to 3. So you have to put the value of x equal to 3. So here you will put 3 into x, that means 3 into 3, multiply by 4x, that means 4 into 3 minus 5 plus 3. So 3 into 3 9, 4 3s are 12 minus 5 plus 3 plus 3. Then 9 multiply by 12 minus 5 equal to 7 plus 3. 9 7 is 63 plus 3. 63 plus 3 equal to 66. You know Bodmas rule. First you have to solve the bracket, then of division, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally you have to solve the subtraction. Okay. Otherwise you can do also like this. 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So 12 into, you will multiply this 3x into 4x equal to 12x square minus 3x into 5 equal to 15x minus 15x plus 3 plus 3. Okay. Then you have to put the value of x equal to 3. So 12 into x square means square of 3 minus 15x means 15 into 3 plus 3 So 12 into 3 square 9 minus 15 multiplied by 3 equal to 45 plus 3. So 12 nines are 108 plus 3 minus 45. 108 plus 3 111 minus 45 equal to 66. Next is simplify. Okay, you can simplify here. 5 to the are 7. 5, 5 to the power 7 multiplied by 6 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 7 multiplied by 6 to the power 5 equal to 2 into 3 whole to the power 5, right? Then 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 equal to 2 to the power whole to the power 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 3. Then 5 to the power 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 whole to the power 5 equal to 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3 into 2 multiplied by 5 whole to the power 5 equal to 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 3. Now 5 to the power 7 multiplied by 3 to the power 5, you have to arrange them, okay, in decreasing order. So 5 to the power 7 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 divided by 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 5 plus 3, that will be 5 to the power 8 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 5. Then 5 to the power 7 divided by 4 to the power 8, that means 5 to the power 7 minus 8, that will be minus 1, and multiply by 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3, that means 3 to the power 5 minus 3, that means 3 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, it will be 1, so need not to write. Okay, now 5 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 5 to the power 1, so that will be 1 to the power 5, sorry, 1 by 5 multiply by 3 to the power 2 equal to 9. So 9 ones are 9 by 5, so 9 by 5. Now, a loaded truck travels 45 km in 15 minutes. If the speed remains same, how far can it travel in 1 hour 30 minutes? How much time is required to travel 75 km? First, we can write the loaded truck travels 45 km in 15 minutes. That means it travels 3 km in 1 minute. If it travels 45 km in 15 minutes, then in 1 minute it will travel 45 by 5, sorry, 45 by 15, so it will be 3 kilometer. So it will travel 3 kilometer in 1 minute. Now in 1 hour 30 minute, it will travel 1 hour 30 minute equal to 90 minute, because 1 hour 60 minute, 60 plus 30 90, so 1 hour 30 minute equal to 90 minute. So 90 multiplied by 3, because in 1 minute it travels 3 kilometer, so 90 into 3 equal to 270 kilometer. So in 1 hour 30 minutes it will travel 270 kilometer. Time required to travel 75 kilometer. Acha, to travel 3 km, it requires 1 minute. So to travel 75 km, it will require 75 divided by 3 equal to 25 minutes. Okay. Now plot the following points on a graph paper and verify if they lie on a line. Okay. So you can plot. Okay. First point is 2 6. 2 6 means in x-axis it will 2 here, and in y it will be 6. So here will be the first point, 2 6. Okay. Here will be 2 6. And the second point will be in x-axis 3 and y-axis 5, 3 5. C is 5 3, that means in x-axis 5 and in y-axis 3. D number is 6 2, that means in x-axis 6, in y-axis 2. So if you will add all the numbers, you will get a line. Okay, they all lie on a line. Now, section D, context plot. Sarita purchased a rectangular plot whose length is twice its breadth. Breadth of the plot is x meter. She constructed a house building in the plot. She developed a square lawn whose sides are y meter. Read the figure carefully and choose the correct option and write it with its answer in your answer sheet. Okay, you can see here. 1 minute. You can see here. Sarita purchased a rectangular plot. This is a rectangular plot whose length is twice its breadth. Its length is twice its breadth. That means if breadth is x, then length will be 2x. Okay, breadth of the plot is x meter, then length will be 2x. So this one also will be 2x and this one will be x, that is breadth. She constructed a house building in the plot. Okay, this is the house building, the bigger portion. She developed a square lawn. This is the square lawn whose sides are y. This one also y, this one also y. Okay, now this is the parking area. Okay, find the perimeter of the plot. What will be the perimeter of the plot? The length of the rectangular plot is 2x meter and the breadth is x meter. So the perimeter will be length plus breadth into 2. So 2x plus x multiplied by 2. So 2x plus x equal to 3x. 3x multiplied by 2 equal to 6x. 6x meter. So option B, 6x meter. Then find the area of the square lawn. The square lawn is having sides of y. This is a square. So area of square equal to length multiplied by length. Okay. That means y into y. That will be y square. Y square square meter. How much amount will require to fence the whole plot at a rate of 5 rupees per meter? Okay, so in order to fence, you have to find the perimeter. Here, the perimeter of the plot is how much? 6x 6x meter. We have already found out. Okay, 6x meter. So at the rate of 5 rupees per meter. So per meter, you have to pay 5 rupees, right? How much amount will require to fence the whole plot at a rate of 5 rupees per meter? Okay, so per meter 5 rupees. So to the total perimeter is 6x. So 6x multiplied by 5, it will be 30x. Okay, 30x rupees you have to pay. 30x rupees. Now find area of the plot for x equal to 8. Okay, if x equal to 8, that means breadth equal to 8 meter, then length will be double of breadth, that is 16 meter. So area will be length into breadth, that is 16 into 8, it will be 128 meter square, right? Now context Republic Day. On Republic Day, Ranjan went to an auditorium with his father to attend a cultural program. On close observation, he saw that there are 7x plus 4 number of rows of chairs. In each row, there were 7x minus 4 number of chairs. The floor, that means 7x plus 4 is the number of rows of chairs. And 7x minus 4 is the number of chairs. You remember here. 7x minus 4 is the number of chairs. 7x plus 4 is the number of rows. Okay. The floor of the auditorium is fitted with square tiles. The entry fee to the auditorium was fixed at the rate of 7 rupees per person. Choose the correct option and write it with its answer in your answer sheet. How many chairs were there in the auditorium? So to find out the total number of chairs in the auditorium, you have to multiply the number of chairs in each row to the number of rows. That means 7x minus 4 into 7x plus 4. 7x minus 4 into 7x plus 4. So 7x minus 4 multiply by 7x plus 4. So a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. That means 7x whole square minus 4 whole square. That means 49x square minus 16. This one 49x square minus 16. You can see here. Okay. Number of chairs in the auditorium. 7x plus 4 into 7x minus 4. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. 7x whole square minus 4 minus square. So 7x whole square equal to 49x square minus 4 square 16. Okay, so 49x square minus 16. Now, question number 2. The amount collected from the audience on that day was found to be 7x minus 14 rupees. How many people attended the program by paying entry fees of 7 rupees each? Okay. So, the auditorium was fixed at the rate of 7 per person. Okay. The amount collected from the audience on that day was found to be 7x minus 14 rupees. How many people attended the program by paying entry of fee of 7 rupees each? So, here you have to divide 7x minus 14 by 7. So, it will give 7x by 7 equal to x minus 14 by 7 equal to 2. So x minus 2. Answer will be x minus 2. The area of each square tiles fitted on the floor is y square minus 10y plus 25 square meter. Find the length of each side of the square tiles in meter. You know, area of square tile equal to y square minus 10y plus 25. That means y square minus 2 into y into 5 plus 5 square. You have to make the expression in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Sorry, a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square, y minus 5. Here I have written wrong. It will be a minus b whole square. So y square minus 10y plus 25 equal to y square minus 2 into y into 5 plus 5 square. That means you have to express, that means you have to write the expression in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So y square minus 2ab, that means a equal to y and b equal to 5 plus b square, that is 5 square. So y minus 5 whole square, that is a minus b whole square. A equal to y, b equal to 5. So y minus 5 whole square. Now length of each side will be the square root of area, because area equal to side into side, that means length into length. So length will be the square unit of square root of area. So y minus 5 square root of y minus 5 whole square equal to y minus 5. So here the length will be y minus 5 meter. The area of the floor of the auditorium is 9p square minus 16 square meter. If length of the room is 3p plus 4, find the breadth. So to find the breadth, you have to divide area by length. So area 9p square minus 16 by length 3p plus 4. So 9p square minus 16, this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square is 3p square and b square is 4 square. So you can convert a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 9p square minus 16 equal to 3p plus 4 into 3p minus 4 divided by 3p plus 4. So 3p plus 4, 3p plus 4 कट हो गया. So next your 3p minus 4 रहा. So area equal to sub breadth of the room equal to 3p minus 4. 3p minus 4 meter. Now we will come to Holi. Holi celebration. In Holi, 3 boys Raman, Navin and Gobind wanted to mix color with water. They bought a container. Raman filled 1/4 of the container. Raman filled 1/4 of the container with water. Navin filled 2/5 of the container. And then Gobind needed more 14 liters to fill the container. Okay, now what part of the container did both Raman and Navin fill? So Raman filled 1/4. Navin filled 2/4. So you have to add 1/4 plus 2/4. Okay, so it will be 13 plus 20. It will be 13 plus 20. You know what we call equivalent fraction. So if you will convert 1/4 into a numerator, which will have what we call denominator of 20, then you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. So 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20. So 1/5 equivalent fraction of 1/4 is 5/20. Like that, equivalent fraction of 2/5 having denominator 20, it will be 8/20. Now you can add easily 5/20 plus 8/20 equal to 13/20. Okay, otherwise you can also add 1/4 plus 2/4, 2/5, you will get 13/20. Therefore both Raman and Navin filled 13/20th part of the container. 13/20th part, 13/20. What percentage of the container did Gobind fill up with water? Raman filled 1/4 part means 24%, 25%. 1/5 part was filled by Raman. 1/5 part means, sorry, 1/4 part means 25%. Right? Out of 4 parts, 1 part. Out of 100 part, 25. Percentage means out of 100. So 1/4 means out of 4. Out of 4, 1. Out of 100, 25. Navin filled 2/5 parts. That means out of 5 parts, 2. Then out of 100, it will be 40. So Raman filled 25%, Navin filled 40%. So how much Gobind will fill? Gobind filled equal to total percentage 100. 100 minus 25 plus 40, that is 65. So 100 minus 65 equal to 35. Okay, so we filled 35%. How many liters of water does the container contain? 35% is equal to 14 liter, because you know Gobind filled 35% and at last the amount of water Gobind filled was 14 liter. That means 35% is equal to 14 liter. So 1% is equal to 14 by 35 liter. So 100% is equal to 14 by 35 into 100. It will give 40 liter. Okay. So total water the container can hold equal to 40 liter. What is the ratio of amount of water powered by Gobind to the amount of water contained by the container? Here you have to find the ratio. Okay, ratio of amount of water powered by Gobind 14 liter to the total amount of water contained in a container 40. So 14 is to 40. 2 7s are 220, 7 is to 20. 7 is to 20. Next question is favorite game. A group of students were asked to vote for their favorite game from four games. Okay, cricket, football, hockey, and tennis. It is shown in a pie chart. You can see tennis 20%, football 10%, cricket 40%, and hockey is a 30%. If 20 students liked football, how many students were asked to vote? 20 students like football. That means 10% equal to 20. So 100% will be 200. You understood? 10% equal to 20. 10% students like football. 10% equal to 20. That means 100% equal to 20 into 10. That is 200. So 200 students were asked. Then how many students like tennis? Tennis 20%. You know, football 10% equal to 20. 10% equal to 20. So 20% equal to 40. Okay. Number of students like tennis equal to 20% of 200. That is 40. Total students were 200. So 20% of 200 is 40. What central angle is occupied by the game football in the pie chart? Okay. So, you know, total angle, complete angle is 360 degree. And here, football is 10%. So, 10% of 360 degree equal to 36 degree. Right? So, 36 degree will be the central angle. Then context garden. The shape of a garden is rectangular. This is rectangular garden in the middle and semicircular at the ends. At the ends shown in the diagram. Observe the figure and answer the questions where pi equal to 22 by 7. Okay, what is the radius of each semicircle? Here you can see the diameter of the semicircle is 7 meter. So radius will be half of diameter. It will be 3.5 meter. Okay, because you can see here the diameter is 7 meter. So radius will be half of 7 meter. So 3.5 meter. What is the perimeter of the garden? Perimeter of the garden. Perimeter of the garden will be 2 pi r plus 40 meter. Why? Here this is pi r because perimeter of a semicircle, that means half circumference. Full circumference equal to 2 pi r. Half circumference equal to pi r. So this is pi r, this is pi r. 2 pi r, 2 pi r plus this one 20 meter, this one 20 meter. So 20, 20, 40. So this one 20 meter, this one 20 meter, 20, 20, 40, this one pi r, this one pi r. So total perimeter of the garden, that means boundary of the garden, is it 20, 20, 40 plus pi r, 2 pi r. So 2 pi r plus 40 meter. Pi means 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 7 plus 40 meter. So 7 7 cut हो गया. 2 into 22 equal 44 plus 40. 44 plus 40 equal to 84. So perimeter will be 84 meter. Okay. What is the area of the garden? Okay, area of the garden equal to pi r square plus 20 into 7 square meter. Why? Area of 1 minute. Area of this portion. Area of this rectangular portion equal to length into breadth. Length कितना है? 220 multiply by breadth कितना है? 7. So 20 into 7 140. Okay, square unit. Then area of this portion, that means area of semicircle, you know, area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. This one is will be also pi r square. Area of circle, but here this is semicircle. So area of two semicircles equal to area of a circle, that will be half pi r square plus half pi r square, that will be full pi r square. So 140 plus pi r square, 140 plus pi r square, pi equal to 22 by 7 into r equal to 7 square, r equal to 7, so r square equal to 7 square. So 7 1 जा ये 7 square means 7 into 7, तो 1 7 कट हो जाएगा, तो 2 into 7 equal to 154 plus 140 square meter. So 154 plus 140 equal to 294 square meter. Okay, 294 square meter. Square meter. Then temperature. You can see here the graph. Okay, the graph shows the temperature recorded of a town on a Sunday. Read the graph carefully and answer the questions given. At what time was the maximum temperature recorded on that Sunday? Maximum temperature was recorded at 10 a.m. Okay. What is the minimum temperature recorded? Minimum temperature is this one. In between 34 and 36, it will be 35. Okay. Minimum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature difference between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m.? At 6 a.m. the temperature was 37. At 6 p.m. temperature was 35. So difference is 37 minus 35. Okay, only 2 degrees Celsius. 2 degree Celsius. 2 degree. Okay. Next, what is the temperature of difference between maximum and minimum temperature? So maximum temperature is 40 minus minimum temperature is 35. So difference is only 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. This is the answer. 40 minus 35 equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So I think you might have understood the answer explanation, and I think you also have done great. You have written well in your examination. I wish you all the best for your upcoming result. You will be promoted to your higher class in the month of April. So wish you all the best for that. Thank you for watching the video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.